Welcome! If you're looking to make Roblox a safer and more family-friendly space on your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set your content maturity to minimal on Roblox Mobile. This is the perfect way to limit exposure to mature content, especially if you're setting up Roblox for younger players or just want a more curated experience. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those dots. Now that you're in the More menu, scroll down until you see the option for Settings. Tap on Settings to open up the next set of options. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you can control what kind of content is visible on your account. It's a great tool for parents, or anyone who wants to keep their Roblox experience as safe as possible. Next, look for the section labeled Content Maturity. Tap on this option to see the available content settings. Here, you'll find different levels of content maturity, ranging from more open to more restricted. To make Roblox as safe and minimal as possible, select the Minimal option. This setting ensures that only the most age-appropriate content is accessible, filtering out games and experiences that may not be suitable for all audiences. Once you've chosen minimal, your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You've now set your content maturity to minimal on Roblox Mobile. With these settings in place, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your Roblox experience is tailored to be as safe and appropriate as possible. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other guides for more helpful Roblox tips.